abuse, the diatribe, the insult. So hindi na, naging tameme na. We'll just tell our side of the story as best we can.
Napakahabang usapin nito, pero ang masasabi ko lang, kahit magbalik na rin yung kasaysayan, isa lang. Nung natapos tayo sa martial law, we were much worse than what we were in 1965.
Sabi ng iba, madaling makalimot ang mga Pilipino. Pero bakit nga ba dapat nating alalahanin ang madilim na nakaraan natin noong martial law?
History does not repeat itself, but men repeat history. Ibig sabihin, kung naging pabaya tayo, hindi natin inintindi yun, uulitin natin kung ano yung nangyari ng martial law. If we do not remember the past, then we are bound to repeat it. You cannot forgive those who do not seek repentance.